Ready to make your money blossom with Wealthsimple in 2025? Let's dive into this all-known Canadian finance powerhouse, starting with the home screen, where you'll see your key account options: invest for hands-off growth, trade for active stock picks, tax for easy filing, and cash for everyday banking. Tap on Invest to get started with automated investing. Here, choose a portfolio that matches your risk tolerance. Options range from conservative to growth, with projected returns clearly displayed. Select your desired portfolio and answer a few questions to personalize your investment strategy. Now, let's explore trade. This is where you can buy and sell individual stocks and ETFs. Search for the stock you want, analyze its performance with the chart, and then enter the amount you want to buy or sell. Ensure you understand the fees and risks associated with each trade before executing. Next, filing your taxes just got simpler with Wealthsimple Tax. Upload your tax documents, answer the guided questions, and the platform will automatically calculate your return. It's designed to be user-friendly, even if you're not a tax expert. Finally, let's look at cash. This is your everyday banking account. Track your spending, pay bills, and earn interest on your balance. It's a convenient way to manage your day-to-day finances within the Wealthsimple ecosystem. Remember to secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication and regularly monitoring your transactions. Wealthsimple offers robust security features to protect your financial information. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Wealthsimple in 2025.